You know that we are here at the venue of selecting the brand ambassador. This is the first of its round of selecting brand ambassadors. This campaign was launched about 2 months back, and we are going through a very rigorous process, and we are not going to exclude anybody from the selection. Basically, the concept is that Hyderabad is all. They should own this particular project, because basically this project is for the city of Hyderabad as well as for all the people of Hyderabad. So students from schools, colleges, company executives, housewives, senior citizens and all others are welcome to participate in the process. So we are going to select about 8 to 10 brand ambassadors who will be trained, who will be also used for all our campaigns, media interaction, people interaction, all those things. And brand ambassador concept is not a new concept. People use brand ambassadors from the celebrities. You have seen big names like Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni, Sehwag, Amitabh Bachchan, or some of the great actresses like Kareena Kaif and other things getting selected as brand ambassadors. But our concept is basically to select from a common person and make them celebrity. And I am sure they will be proud to be brand ambassadors of Hyderabad Metro Rail, because Hyderabad Metro Rail is a futuristic project which is going to change the life of city and quality of life of all Hyderabad. It is a phenomenal participation, I can tell you, even being a month of February where exams are coming up closer, but students, almost about 4,000, 5,000 students are participating in this selecting process, and this is only the schools. Still we are yet to go to the colleges, and a phenomenal, attractive response from all the students, and they are competing with a spirit of competitiveness, and I am sure we will get this brand ambassador selected in next 6 to 8 months time. See, Hyderabad, as I keep on telling that Hyderabad is an old city. It has got history, and Hyderabad is known for its culture, cuisine, hospitality, and the first transformation of Hyderabad happened somewhere in late 90s, 98, 99, when the IT industry came to Hyderabad. And all Hyderabadis have seen the development of Hyderabad, especially in the part of Cyberabad, that modern Hyderabad really taken birth. I am confident personally this Hyderabad Metro Rail is going to transform the city. I call this as a second transformation of the city. The communication in the city is going to be eased out. Traffic congestion will be the part of history. The carbon footprint in city will reduce, because Hyderabad Metro Rail is a cleaner mode of transport, and many people will take advantage of this very, very modern facility of transportation which is very clean. And most importantly, your predictability of travel going from one part of the city to the other part of the city will be tremendously increased. So people will be very happy to use metro, and I am sure it will be a great project for the city of Hyderabad. Our estimate when we are done for this project is that when all the 72 kilometers will be completed, 16 lakh passengers will be travelling every day, and it will keep on growing as the city grows.